So over here in the left side, you can see that I got some pictures of skies. So what I can do is I can use one of these pictures as a background for my project as well. So for that, I'm going to go around and click on this picture, and you can see that this sky picture pops up right over here. And now in order to set it out as a background for my project, I can simply right click on this and then click on set as background. So once you do that, you can see that the background is set and the image background is used. So you can go around over here and move the background out right here just like this. When we chose an image as background, what it simply did was it analyzed the total amount of space that is there in this project and enlarged the image to fit that project. It's simply that. So you can still go around and resize the image and then use it out. So it simply resized out the image when we chose set as background. So once you resize it again, you can simply right click it on it again and click on save as background. And then what happens is that the image will be set as a background. If you want to prevent accidental editing of the background, then now you can go ahead and right click and lock it out right here. So now you cannot move around the background. As you can see, it is logged. And then what you can do is you can go around and start bringing in other objects and then start designing just like this. And that is how you can set out images as backgrounds inside of VistaCreate project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.